Hello, good morning. I am Prakash, Professor of Botany, Kalpataruka State Science College, Tiptur. Today I am going to cover the plant physiology topic, seed dormancy, prescribed by Tumku University for 3rd BSc 6th semester, paper 7th. Seed dormancy. The phenomenon of seed dormancy is the most important characteristic feature of flowering plants. Seeds remain viable for many years due to dormancy. Germination may be delayed for days, weeks, or even months. Groundnut seeds have a dormancy period of about 2 weeks. Rice has a short dormancy period, just half an hour. Jackfruit, Syzygium plants sometimes may germinate within the fruit itself. It is called viviparous. Definition for seed dormancy. Seed dormancy is a phenomenon wherein germination of seeds is temporarily suspended for a specific length of time. The seed undergoing dormancy is said to be dormant. In dormant seeds, least physiological conditions exist, mainly due to their maturity or due to adverse conditions. Let us discuss the causes for seed dormancy. Seed dormancy may be caused by one or a combination of several external and internal factors. The second one is inherent, that is, innate property of seeds. They can be outlined as follows. Number one, dormancy due to seed coat. Second one, dormancy due to immature seeds, that's immaturity of the embryo. And due to germination of inhibitors like ABA, abscisic acid, and ethylene, need for after ripening. The next one is low temperature requirement, that is chilling, and the last one is secondary dormancy. Let us explain the causes for seed dormancy one by one. The first one is dormancy due to seed coat. Seed coat of most seeds is made up of several layers of cells. As a result, the seed coat becomes very hard, tough. Therefore, it causes barrier for seeds to germinate in the following manner. Impermeable seed coat to water, example many legumes plants. Impermeable seed coat to gases, that is oxygen, example Xanthium species. Mechanically resistant seed coat, example seeds of Capsella species, Amaranthus species. The second cause for seed dormancy is dormancy due to immature seeds, immaturity of the embryo. Some seeds contain an imperfectly developed embryo. Final development of seeds takes place during seed germination. Next one is due to germination inhibitors like ABA, abscisic acid, and ethylene. A large number of chemical substances are isolated from the seeds. These substances inhibit seed germination. The chemicals like phenolics, tannins, alcohols, unsaturated lactones, mustard oil, and cyanide releasing substances, etc., will block growth of embryo. The para-ascorbic acid and abscisic acid, that is ABA, are chemical inhibitors which inhibit seed germination. The next cause for seed dormancy is need for after ripening. In many plants like crataegus, wheat, oats, barley, the seeds, even under a favorable condition, cannot germinate unless they undergo a period of rest. Such a process is called after ripening. The next cause is low temperature requirement or chilling. Seeds of Lactuca species apple, rose remain dormant till they pass through a period of low temperature in winter. The next cause for seed dormancy is dormancy due to specific light requirement. The seeds of Lactoca species, Salvia, Lythrum, Nicotiana tabacum have a specific period of light requirement for germination. Some seeds require specific period of light for germination. Such seeds are called positively photoblastic seeds. Example, Rumex. Some seeds do not germinate in presence of light. Such seeds are called negatively photoblastic seeds. Example, Silene species. Seeds of some species are neutral to light. Such seeds are said to be non-photoblastic. Example, tomato, cucumber species, etc. The next cause for seed dormancy is secondary dormancy. Many seeds are capable of germination immediately after they are shed from fruits. When such seeds are kept under unfavorable condition, they become dormant. Example, Brassica species. So far, we have discussed about the causes for seed dormancy. Now, the next part is how to break the seed dormancy. There are several methods to break the seed dormancy. Let us discuss the methods of breaking seed dormancy. Resuming of germination potential of dormant seeds by special treatment is called breaking of seed dormancy. The seed dormancy can be broken and the dormant seeds can be induced to germinate by one or a combination of different methods may be given below. One is scarification, second one is impaction, third one is stratification, next one is pressure, next alternating temperature, next one light, and the next one growth regulators. The first method of breaking seed dormancy is scarification. Now, let us define what is scarification. Scarification is a method of breaking dormancy by which hard seed coats are softened or weakened for seed germination. Under natural conditions, soil microorganisms act upon the seed coats. Usually, they decompose seed coat and help in their germination. Several mechanical and chemical methods are employed for scarification. They are as follows: cutting or chipping of seed coat, physical scarification, that is storage of seeds at high or low temperature, chemical scarification, that is treatment of seeds with organic solvents to remove waxy or fatty coats, and the treatment of seeds with acids. The second method of breaking of seed dormancy is impaction. What is impaction? In some of the seeds, water and oxygen are unable to penetrate due to plugging of pores in the seed coat. These seeds are shaken vigorously to remove the plugs. This process of inducing seed germination is called impaction. Example, Crotalaria, Trigonella, etc. The next method of breaking seed dormancy is stratification. Many seeds require chilling treatment in winter. This can be overcome by treating them in moist medium at a low temperature, that is 5 to 10 degrees centigrade, for sufficient period. This treatment or artificial induction is called stratification. The next method is pressure. In this method, the seeds are subjected to high pressure of about 2000 atmosphere at 18 degrees centigrade for 5 to 20 minutes. This pressure changes the permeability of seed coat to water, resulting into seed germination. Example, sweet clover and alfalfa. Next method of breaking seed dormancy is alternating temperature. Germination of some seeds is strongly promoted by alternating daily temperature. High and low temperature 10 degree to 20 degree greatly improves the seed germination. Example, Pova species. Next one is light. The dormancy of positively photoblastic seeds can be broken by exposing them to red light. Far red light inhibits seed germination, indicating the involvement of photoreversible pigment, phytochrome, in the process of seed germination. The next method of breaking seed dormancy is growth regulators. The growth regulators like kinetins and gibberellins have been used to induce germination in positively photoblastic seeds like lettuce and tobacco. KNO3, thiourea, ethylene, etc. have also the capacity to induce seed germination. This is the last part of seed dormancy. Here we are going to discuss the advantages of seed dormancy. What are the advantages of seed dormancy? They are as follows. Number one, the dormancy of seeds helps the plants of a temperate zone to tide over, means escape, the severe colds. Second one is the dormancy of seeds due to impermeable seed coats ensures good chances of survival to the plants of tropical regions, that's high temperature. The third advantage is the dormancy of seeds in cereals is most important to mankind. If these seeds germinate immediately after harvest, they will be quite useless for mankind because it is not possible to store them for long period. The fourth advantage is dormant seeds and organs in perennial plants resist unfavorable conditions for their development. The fifth one is seed dormancy is very useful for the preservation of germplasm in the form of seed banks. Thank you very much.